Welcome to another episode of Robert's free RE Agent Tips Lower Mainland, where Vancouver's top real estate agents learn proven secrets for success. This episode is brought to you by Robert Crawled from Dominion Lending Casa Mortgage, the #1 mortgage choice for Vancouver home buyers. Now here's your RE Agent Tip.
Okay, let's talk about your listing presentations. Have you had that uneasy feeling like you were on the hot seat, being compared to your competitors based on some hidden criteria or checklist? What if there was a way you could reconstruct your home seller's buying criteria so you became the #1 only logical choice to sell their home? Here's how you do it. Simply create a home seller checklist highlighting the most important criteria you think the home seller should use to choose the right listing agent. Position yourself as a trusted advisor by educating your client on how to make an informed decision based on the right criteria. In doing so, you can reconstruct the home seller's buying criteria to strategically highlight your greatest strengths instead of leaving it to chance. Here are a few criteria you might want to include on your checklist. Criteria number 1, dependability. Did they show up on time? Did they follow up promptly? Criteria number 2, professionalism. Were they dressed professionally? Did they present themselves well? Criteria number 3, market research. Did they present all relevant sold comparables? Did they present all relevant active comparables? Now here's the kicker. Criteria number 4, marketing. Does their marketing plan include professional HD photography, a panoramic virtual tour on their website and the MLS, prominent advertising in the most popular local real estate newspapers, mailing just listed postcards to the surrounding area, text messaging with call capture, a single property website that showcases your property, a compiled list of active, motivated home buyers to promote your listing to. I could keep going, but you get the idea. I'm sure you'd agree. If you educated your home sellers on the importance of these key criteria and then showed them how you fulfill on each one of them, your chances of winning the listing would go through the roof. So there you have it. I've just given you a big secret to dramatically improving your closing ratio at your listing presentations. Now it's time to take action. As an added value service, we can provide you with a completely done-for-you listing agent selection checklist, along with all the systems you need to fulfill on these criteria, including a cutting-edge text capture lead generation system, single property websites, HD panoramic virtual tours, text capture rider signs, and a whole lot more. However, this opportunity is only available to a limited number of qualifying realtors on a first-come, first-served basis. To see if you might qualify, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Robert's free RE Agent Tips Lower Mainland. If you have any questions or comments, please call Robert today at 604-805-7734.